The age of reaching maturity differs with every adorable animal species, and while a kitten might be considered a baby animal for around a year, the elephant might take 20 to mature. And that, of course, has to do with the animal's lifespan, and size longer lifespan usually means that the animal babies will take more time to mature. Just like us, baby animals are curious, naive, and big-eyed, only, of course, a wee bit furrier. So in this video, we are going to tell you about top 10 baby animals. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick around till the end. Number 10. Baby Hippo. These big little guys weigh nearly 100 pounds at birth. That is about 10 times larger than the size of a human baby. For its first 8 months, the calf nurses while its mother is on land or it swims underwater to suckle. When it dives, the calf closes its nose and ears to block out water. What his ears lack in size, they make up for in raw speed. Hippos are by far one of everyone's favorite baby animals. A fully grown hippopotamus can eat over 75 pounds of grass in a single night. Number 9. Baby Deer. There are about 50 to 60 species of deer in the world. The long legs, small tails, coloration, and attractive antlers make deers one of the most beautiful mammals in the world. Needless to say, the young deer of fawn outrank the adults in cuteness. In most species, the fawns are born with white spots on the body. It helps them to remain hidden from predators within the habitat. The young deer also start to walk in under an hour. A baby is called a fawn. A doe can birth 1 to 3 fawns at a time, and they are usually around 5 pounds. Fawns are usually born with the white spotted fur to help them camouflage. They are typically born in the month of May and stay with the mother for about 1 year. Unless you take preventative measures, deer will destroy your spring garden, but they'll do it in an incredibly adorable way. Imagine Bambi nibbling on lettuce leaves. Baby deer, otherwise known as fawns, stay with their moms for about 1 year before they finally grow up and get a job already. Number 8. Baby Panda. The panda is a cute yet amazing creature inhabiting the temperate forest of the Himalayas. Unfortunately, their population is decreasing due to habitat loss and fragmentation. Both adult red pandas and cubs look extremely cute in their red-brown fur and bushy tail. At birth, the baby red pandas only weigh up to 4.6 ounces. It takes them almost 90 days to get fur coloring like an adult. The mating season is in spring between March and May. Males and females usually associate for no more than 2 to 4 days. Pregnancy lasts from 95 to 160 days. All pandas are born very small. The average weight is 100 grams or 0.2 pounds, which is only 1/900th of their mother's weight, compared to about 1/20th for humans. The lightest one on record was only 36 grams or 0.1 pounds, and the heaviest one was 210 grams or 0.5 pounds. Newborn giant pandas are pink and furless. The iconic black and white coloring come later, after about 3 weeks. Number 7. Baby Seal. This cutie is able to walk on all fours, has fur like a dog, and can bark. Woof! Pups weigh 3 to 7 kilograms at birth. Most fur seal pups are born with a black-brown coat that molts at 2 to 3 months, revealing a brown coat that typically gets darker with age. Number 6. Baby Hedgehog. Hedgehogs are one of Scotland's best-loved wild mammals. Typically found in gardens, parks, and green spaces across the country, hedgehogs thrive in areas with lots of bushes and hedges. The clue is in the name. You should only see a hedgehog at night as they are nocturnal. Famed for their brown, prickly exterior, hedgehogs are a staple of Scottish wildlife, but sadly it is not as easy to see them as previously. Population size has declined dramatically across the UK over the past 2 decades, though that drop does not appear to be as severe in Scotland as it is in the rest of the UK. The loss of hedges and woodland space has had a negative impact on hedgehog population numbers. Number 5. Baby Rabbit. Rabbits are small mammals in the family Leporidae of the order Lagomorpha, found in several parts of the world. Rabbits are known for having long ears and for being agile, as in having a notable ability to jump. There are actually species of rabbits on all continents except Antarctica, and about half of all rabbit species live in North America. In Iowa, we have only one rabbit species, the eastern cottontail, Sylvilagus floridanus. Its similar relative, the jackrabbit, is a hare, not a rabbit. Rabbits' teeth never stop growing. The tough grasses they eat help to wear the teeth down continually to make sure that they don't get too long. Their teeth can also talk for them. Rabbits make a purring noise, a sign of happiness, by grinding their teeth. They can actually make several vocalizations, but they often don't in order to avoid predators. Number 4. Baby elephant. Elephants are famous for forming a strong bond with each other. This can be understood when you spot an elephant herd. Obviously, more focus goes for the baby elephants, but when you spot an elephant herd with their babies, undeniably hold your attention focused just on the babies, because they are so adorable, cute, and playful. Baby elephants weigh approximately 200 pounds when born. That's a big baby. Calves are the center of attention in their family groups and rely on their mothers for as long as 3 years. Today, there are 3 different elephant species: Asian elephant, African savanna elephant, and African forest elephant. Number 3. Baby turtle. Turtles can be found in all oceans except for the polar regions. Females will come ashore to the same place they were hatched to lay their eggs. After about 50 to 60 days, the baby sea turtles break free of the eggshell, dig through the sand, and crawl into the sea. Watching a baby turtle, known as a hatchling, struggle out of the nest and make its way to the water is an emotional experience. Everything from footprints to driftwood and crabs is the obstacle, though this gauntlet is important for its survival. Birds, raccoons, and fish are just a few of the predators these vulnerable creatures face. Some experts say only 1 out of 1,000 will survive to adulthood under natural conditions. After an adult female sea turtle nests, she returns to the sea, leaving her nest and the eggs within it to develop on their own. The amount of time the egg takes to hatch varies among the different species and is influenced by environmental conditions such as the temperature of the sand. Number 2. Baby cats. It's an obvious fact that cats rule the internet. It's impossible not to notice the playfulness and cuteness of cats. If that's the case of adult cats, how would you feel if you have a tiny, cute kitten? Of course, cats look cuter while they are young. Besides this factor, their tiny body, innocent face, attractive coat, gentleness, and playful nature make them perhaps the cutest baby animal in the world. After being born, kittens display primary altricial and are totally dependent on their mother for survival. They do not normally open their eyes until after 7 to 10 days. After about 2 weeks, kittens quickly develop and begin to explore the world outside the nest. After a further 3 to 4 weeks, they begin to eat solid food and grow adult teeth. Domestic kittens are highly social animals and usually enjoy human companionship. Kittens are undergoing growth and require high amounts of protein to provide essential amino acids that enable the growth of tissues and muscles. Number 1. Baby chameleon. Chameleon has a gestation period of 20 to 30 days, after which females lay eggs that are usually white in color and oval in shape, that too with tough skin. One of the cutest baby animals, baby chameleons, has a clutch and the size ranges from 35 and 85. Before the eggs are born, eggs are kept inside the hole under warm sand for the incubation period. A forest-dwelling chameleon easily hides beneath leaf litter in northern Madagascar. In fact, it is so slight it could tumble off the tip of your finger. The tiny critter is nearly 30 millimeters or 1.2 inches from snout to tail. It also might just be the smallest reptile on Earth. Which baby animal did you like the most? Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.